Found a TAP file in a retro computing archive? This is a virtual cassette tape from the ZX Spectrum, preserving software from the era when games loaded from audio tape players. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load these classic tape images. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single TAP file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. TAP files are tape image files for the ZX Spectrum home computer containing digital representations of cassette tape data. They store the binary data blocks that were originally recorded as audio signals on magnetic tape, including program code loading screens and game data for Spectrum software. ZX Spectrum TAP files use a simple binary format, storing sequential data blocks, each prefixed with a 2-byte length field. Each block contains a flag byte, the data payload, and a checksum byte mirroring the Spectrum's tape block structure without the audio encoding overhead. The proper file association links TAP directly to the Fuse free Unix Spectrum emulator solution by the Fuse team. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows cannot interpret most of this content, so dedicated game tools or the game itself are required. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your TAP file and select Open With. Use Fuse free Unix Spectrum emulator. If it's installed, it's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. If your TAP file still refuses to open, stay calm. A specialized format like TAP demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, loading in an emulator. Open the TAP file and fuse the free Unix Spectrum emulator using File, then Open. Type Load. At the Spectrum Basic, prompt to initiate tape loading. The emulator streams data from the TAP file, simulating real-time cassette tape loading at the original speed or accelerated with the fast loading option. Next, using other emulators. Load TAP files in ZXBinSpeci or RetroArch with the Fuse core. Each emulator provides tape loading controls, including play rewind and instant loading options. Enable fast loading or auto load features to skip the authentic but lengthy tape loading process that original users endured. Finally, converting tape formats. Convert TAP files to TZX format using tools like Tapir or Fuse's tape utilities for access to advanced tape features, including custom loading routines and copy protection schemes. Convert to WAV audio format for playback on real ZX Spectrum hardware through the EAR port audio input. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.